Hi guys, it's Eliana and Wanda, and we're the Cordova princesses. Today we're gonna be making ice cream. So the ingredients are cream, condensed milk, and
Fresh milk. And some
cream. You can do whatever you want.
good.
Wow. This popped in. Okay, guys, my mom's gonna mix it now. Oh, tell your mom, tell all adults to help you with that part. Oh. So loud, guys! It's so loud! Oh my god, I need earphones! Earphones! Oh, finally, guys. So, Moni's gonna add the condensed milk.
Okay, you put it.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Let me help.
Do it! Wow, guys, wow! So guys, Monet's gonna put that, right? So do it. Okay, wow.
What's that?
Fresh milk. Yeah, fresh milk. Whoa. See the magic? You see, kind of.
We're gonna mix this again.
Mom's gonna put vanilla extra. This looks like bubbly. Bubbly. Yeah. Ooh. Whoa, it's like chocolate. So I'm just gonna put the crushed.
Creamer or
Yeah, cream O. Come on. Oh,
all of it?
do it. Also another one.
No, that's enough. That's
It's
good.
enough. I want to try.
Okay. How about you want to try?
I can't believe it's my first time. It really looks like the real cookie and cream. Yeah. And I get this one, so let's do it. Whoa, these are so big still. It looks like where the ice cream makers, we make ice cream for everyone. I don't want to drink it. In the table, I don't want to drink it. Oh no. Ooh, it looks like real. So guys, wow, it looks
Like
really
a real?
looks like the real one. Yeah.
Real what? Real ice cream?
Yeah.
Cookies and
So
cream?
guys, we're gonna try if it tastes good.
Good. How was it?
It's good.
How about you, Manette? How many thumbs up?
I do. I'm far.
4?
I
But
did
it's only 1.
100.
Okay. Now you're gonna put the toppings.
Toppings.
The crash are used
Do
for the
it.
toppings.
Ooh, it looks
Spread
so
it all
good.
over.
It looks like
What?
I'm like sprinkling some cupcakes, but instead of cupcakes, ice cream.
Ice cream. Yummy ice cream. What's the flavor of that ice cream?
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. Okay. Spread it all over, Manette. That area.
Look at mine.
You add more.
I need more. It will look so yummy when it's done.
Yes, I know.
Because our favorite cookie cream. I think mine is gonna be finished. I think mine is gonna be quick.
Okay, that's all done.
Already ready now to put in the rest. So
For how many hours?
like 6 hours.
Okay.
We have to be so careful with the wrap. So guys, now we're gonna put it in.
How about help Manette put her.
Do yours. Look at my hands now. Wow. So guys, we're gonna wait 6 minutes and
Not minutes. It's hour. You're gonna take hours.
hours. So
Okay.
we're gonna be playing while we're waiting. Already finished of 6 hours. So guys, it's the final time. I'm so excited. Yeah.
Are you excited, Manette?
Yeah.
You're
I
gonna open
turned
the
my
one?
frown upside down.
Okay.
I didn't even have a frown.
Okay, let me open it.
So guys, I don't know why it's like this. Yeah.
I guess because it's not full.
Yeah, but that's fine. So time to taste the final time.
Okay.
Oh.
What do you think?
So good.
So yummy?
Yeah.
It tastes like a real ice cream?
Yeah, it tastes.
Can I? So yummy.
Yeah, I love that. Guys, try that at home because it tastes so delicious.
Cookies and cream.
Yeah. So guys, do you think this is gonna be the end of the video?
No, that's it.
Yeah. That's the only thing left for the end video.
Do you like to do it again?
I don't know, but yeah, we should do it but with chocolate.
Yes, let's do the chocolate flavor next time. What flavor do you like, Manette?
I like to do vanilla and also chocolate.
Okay, next time we'll do it.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, this is the end of the video. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time. See you next time as well. So yummy.
Can you eat it all?
Yeah.
No, you should leave for tomorrow.